morning, students. Exercise number 6.2, question number 4. I hope you can see the diagram. In this diagram, this CD, it refers to height of the statue. Okay, you assume this is the statue. Its height is CD. Okay, it is on the pedestal. That height BC. So height of the pedestal is BC. I have taken as H meters. And the statue height is 1.6 meter. It is on the pedestal. Its height about to H meter. Okay. An observer is standing here. He observes the top and bottom of the statue. Listen carefully. Top and bottom of the statue. Okay. Angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60 degree. Okay. Angle of elevation of top of the statue. And angle of elevation of the bottom of the statue, that is 40 degree. Listen. This is bottom of the statue, but this is the top of the pedestal. We may ask two questions. If they ask top of the pedestal means the same, as well as bottom of the statue, that is also 40 degree. Okay. Now we are going to find the height of the pedestal H. So I am going to find this H value. Okay. And tan 40 degree value is given, that is 0.8391, and root 3 value you know very well, that is 1.732. Okay. So some special angles values only we know, like 0 degree, 45, 30, 60 and 90. But 40, 38 and 58 like this means they will give the value of that respective degree. Understood? So here tan 40 is given. We do not know about it. So they have given the value of tan 40 degree, that is 0.8391. Okay. Yes. Let's move on to the problem. I have taken this CD will be height of the statue, that is given. Okay. Which is equal to 1.6 meter. And this BC, that is height of the pedestal. We are going to find this H value. First, in a right triangle DAB, right triangle DAB, the angle of elevation is 60 degree and 90 degree, that is angle B. Okay. So I am going to take in a right triangle DAB, angle B equal to 90 degree. Okay. So tan 60 degree, the angular elevation is 60 degree, equal to the opposite side, that is BD by AB, BD by the adjacent side AB. So tan 60 value root 3 you know very well. BD, that is equal to BC plus CD, BC plus CD. So H plus 1.6 divided by AB, okay. This is equation number 1. Next, in a right triangle CAB, angle B equal to 90 degree. Here also turn 40 degree, angular elevation is 40 degree. Okay. Opposite side BC by adjacent side AB, BC by AB. So tan 40 value 0.8391, it is given. So BC is H by AB. So what is AB? AB equal to H by 0.8391, or H is equal to 0.8391 into AB. AB equal to H by 0.8391 or H is equal to 0.8391 into AB. Okay, so instead of this H, I am going to replace this value here. Substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. So H equal to 0.831 into AB, substitute in 1. So actually it becomes here. So root 3 into AB equal to H value is equal to 0.8391 into AB. 0.8391 into AB plus 1.6. Okay. So root 3 value 1.732 into AB equal to, this is 0.8391 into AB plus 1.6. Okay. If you take this left hand side, 1.732 AB, it is in plus, it becomes minus 0.8391 into AB equal to 1.6. 1.732 minus 0.8391. Okay, so you consider here 0. So 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Here 1 will be there. If you borrow 1 here means 11. 11 minus 9 equal to 2. 2 will be there. If you borrow, actually if you borrow 1 means 12. So it becomes 9. Here 6. So 8. 0.892. 0.892 AB equal to 1.6. So AB equal to 1.6 divided by 0.892. If you divide 1.6 by 0.892, you can get 1.79. 1.79. Okay, actually we are going to find the height of the pedestal BC. So H, substitute in 2. What is 2? This is 2. So H is equal to 0.8391 into 1.79. If you multiply this and this, you will get the answer 1.503 meter. Therefore, the height of the pedestal is equal to 1.503 meter. Okay. So you have to do the calculations like 1.6 divided by 0.892. Okay. I hope you understand this problem. Try to do once again. Exercise number 6.2, question number 5. The question is, a flag post stands on the hemispherical dome. You can see this. This is the hemispherical dome of radius r meter. Of radius r meter. This is radius, this is radius, this is also radius. So r meter. And the height of the flag post is h meter. Okay. A person observes a top of a flag post, okay, at an angle of elevation 45 degree. Okay, where he is standing means he is 7 meter away from the dome. So still this dome, okay, away from 7 meter away means from here to there, that is 7 meter. Okay, you can take this is F. Understood? And you know very well this CF equal to BC equal to, you may take a G, CG. equal to r meters. That is radius of the hemisphere. I hope you understand this. He is standing here. He is observing the top of the flag post at an angle of elevation 45 degree. He moves 5 meter away from his position. 5 meter away from his position. He is seeing the bottom of the flag post. This is the bottom of the flag post at an angle of elevation 30 degree. Okay. So now we are going to find the height of the flag post as well as height of the radius of the hemispherical dome. Okay. So there are two triangles. There are two right triangles. First one ADC. Second one BEC. So first in a right triangle, I am going to take this BEC. Angle C, this is equal to 90 degree. So tan, here angle of elevation is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree equal to opposite side BC by adjacent side is CE. Okay, tan 30 value you know very well, that is 1 by root 3 is equal to this BC, actually CE equal to CF plus FD plus DE, as well as this BCE is R divided by CF, this is R plus 7 plus 5, so 12 plus R. So if you take this left hand side, so 12 plus R is equal to root 3 into R. So R minus root 3R is equal to R, this plus root 3R becomes minus root 3R equal to this plus 12 becomes minus 12. So if you take R out, what do we get? Okay, here 1 minus here root 3 equal to minus 12. So R into root 3 value is 1.732. Minus 1.732 plus 1 gives minus 0.732 is equal to minus 12. This minus will be cancelled. So R is equal to 12 by 0.732. So R is equal to, if you divide 12 by 0.732, 12 by 0.732 equal to 16.39 meter. So radius of the hemispherical dome is equal to 16.39 meter. I hope you understand this. Next, going to find the height of the flag post H. Better we can take this right triangle ADC. In the right triangle ADC, angle C equal to 90 degree. So turn, here angle of elevation is 45 degree. Turn 45 degree equal to opposite side AC by CD. Turn 45 value 1, you know very well. This AC is equal to H plus R divided by CD. What is CD? R plus 7. If you take this left hand side, R plus 7 equal to H plus R. This R will be cancelled. So H is equal to 7 meter. So the height of